10 months ago, I started a YouTube Shorts channel that's now generating over $300 per week. The crazy part is, I spend less than 30 minutes running it, making this business about 99% passive. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how this is possible so you can add an additional stream of income just like I did by tapping into one of the world's most valuable resources. Attention! If you follow the steps I lay out, then there's no doubt in my mind that you'll be able to achieve similar results. Step 1. Choose a YouTube channel topic that you're either passionate about or already have knowledge in. For example, I focused mine on health optimization because at the time, I was inspired by popular podcasts like Joe Rogan and Andrew Huberman. But feel free to pick any topic that you enjoy. Gaming, scary stories, history, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that it's engaging to a wide audience of people, as your earnings will directly depend on how many views you get. Which brings me to the first major mistake that I made when I started this channel. I also chose the health optimization niche because I wanted this channel to have a high CPM. If you're unfamiliar, CPM stands for cost per mila, or the amount of money that advertisers pay for every 1,000 views to be in front of your content. Back when I started this channel, YouTube was still pretty unclear about how they would be paying Shorts creators, but I never imagined that it would end up being the way it is. As it turns out, currently, CPM literally means nothing when it comes to YouTube Shorts. It doesn't matter whether you're talking about real estate or stupid memes. Everyone is paid the same per view. If I had known this when I had first started, I never would have chosen such a specific niche like health optimization. Instead, I would have started a YouTube Shorts channel about the most viral, relatable content possible so I could get more views and ultimately earn more revenue. Step 2. Get a video editing software. If you're experienced, consider professional options like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut, but you can also use easy tools like CapCut or even Canva that get millions of views, like in one of the most recent videos I shared. Step 3. Now we need to start making our content. But before we do, we should probably understand how the YouTube Shorts algorithm actually works so we can design our content to get as many views as possible. And with that, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Subscribers really don't matter, or at least they don't as much as other platforms. I see YouTube Shorts channels that have almost no subscribers with millions of views, and I also see channels with tons of subscribers who almost get no views. This tells us one very important thing. It all comes down to how long you can get the average viewer to watch your video. Whether you have 1,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, the most important metric is watch time. If people watch your videos all the way through, then YouTube will keep pushing your Shorts videos until people stop watching. If you want more proof on that, we can just look at my own most viral videos and see that the average view duration was almost 90% for each of them. And side note, these 45-second videos have each generated me about $500 a piece. Not bad, right? I actually created a viral checklist for YouTube Shorts to help you go as viral as possible. It goes like this. Will someone stop scrolling to check this out? Will someone click on this short from their home feed? Will someone watch this past the first few seconds? Will someone want to comment something productive? Will they be satisfied after watching? Will they want to re-watch this? And will new viewers subscribe to see more in the future? If you can check off every one of these, then you have a viral banger on your hands. I highly recommend that you save this for later because it's what I use every time I create a piece of content, and trust me, it works. So again, what does all this mean to you in whatever niche that you've chosen? Well, I'm about to show you to find out. So back to step 3, creating our content. Whether you're making history content or sports content, there are a few cheat codes that we can use to hack the algorithm into giving us better watch time and more views. The first one is that we need to get people to comment. When someone comments on your YouTube short, the video keeps playing in the background, which ends up adding to our average view duration. So you can use this to your advantage by inspiring people to comment more on your videos. The amateur way to do this would be to give some call of action that simply says, comment what you think below, but the pro maneuver is so much better. You should be putting something that is either funny, outrageous, or polarizing in every one of your videos. This taps into the psychology that people love adding witty comments or their opinions on polarizing subjects. So if you can bake this into your content, then you're gonna end up driving more comments, resulting in more watch time and more views. It's truly a chain reaction. The next thing we can do to retain our audience longer is to use jump cuts every 2 to 3 seconds and add captions so it's easier to follow, especially for those people who are bored at work but can't play the video at full volume. So those are some great cheat codes to boost your average view duration. Step 4, start posting and study what works. Basically, what I do is find clips that worked well in the past with my audience, and then I remake similar content to the ones that have already gone viral. channel. So similar topics, similar style, and similar video lengths. This strategy has brought a massive surge of success to my channel. You'll want to double down on what works rather than trying to reinvent the wheel every time you create a piece of content. It took me a long time to figure this out, and I really wish someone would have shared this with me when I first started out. Step 5. Now we're ready to post our videos, but we want to optimize our content so that our ideal viewers can end up finding it. And this step is pretty important. What you title your video, the words you put in your description, and the tags all play a key role in how many people will end up seeing your video. I personally rely on vidIQ for this, but I occasionally also use ChatGPT if you're looking for a free tool. Step 6. Now we need to monetize this thing. You need 500 subscribers and 3 million views in the last 90 days, which is actually way more achievable than what the requirements used to be. In fact, my channel passed 10 million views and 1,000 subscribers in just 60 days, so you shouldn't have too much trouble hitting these benchmarks if you make quality content. Step 7. Now, you're probably still wondering how I could possibly run this channel in less than 30 minutes every month, right? Well, I'm about to explain how right now. But first, I do want to just add a quick disclaimer because when I first started this channel, this system wasn't possible. But ever since February, I haven't spent more than 30 minutes a month touching this channel. And the secret sauce is that I have an incredible teammate who I pay to run it for me. Think about it. Let's say that your channel makes $500 a month, but it takes you 50 hours to run it. That means you're making just $10 an hour. But on the flip side, let's say you outsource it to a reliable contractor. You pay him $250 to do all the work. Now, you're making $250 per hour, and you now have way more time and creative energy to focus on other projects. And let's take this another step further. In case you aren't making money yet, or you don't have the resources to pay a contractor to run it, you can also partner with someone else. You show them what you want, and then you split the equity of the channel. Creative systems and strategies to free up time like these are what have allowed me to build my profitable online business empire to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I'll be sharing more of these in the coming videos. But anyways, back to step 7. Now, our biggest focus is to make a ton of quality content and post every single day. This will tell the algorithm that we're serious and increase our odds of going viral more often. Also, I think it's important to mention that we want people to come to our channel and know what to expect. Our channel's content shouldn't be all over the place. Viewers should be able to come and binge as many videos as they want in one sitting. That's why shorts channels like Jimmy Darts are so successful, because every video is the same concept with slightly different storylines, allowing viewers to get lost and watch as many as they can handle in one sitting. Finally, step 8. You need to outlast. Most people quit posting after just a few shorts because they don't see the immediate gratification that they're used to getting in all the other aspects of their life. But I'm gonna drop a truth bomb on you right now. Easy work leads to a hard life. Hard work leads to an easy life. Your dream life is on the other side of the discomfort that you don't want to experience. And eventually, you'll realize that the harder path is the only path worth taking. So look, if you do go through with this, please drop the name of your YouTube Shorts channel down in the comments. I'm gonna personally review as many as I can. And if YouTube Shorts isn't your thing, but you're still looking for more ways to make money online, don't worry, later this month, I'll be showing you how I made $30,000 last month. Thanks for being the best audience on YouTube, and stay tuned.